special guest today. And today it's our turn to show you guys how to make how to do a volcano thing with baking soda. We're gonna use this little cup with the tissue because we don't know. We're gonna use any ingredients. I mean, not any ingredients that is hard to find, but we're gonna use baking soda only that we're gonna copy. But we're not gonna use anybody's help. And this is a challenge to like make using a baking soda to pop out. But you know what? Before this video started, we tried baking soda, and if you ever tried baking soda, it's terrible. Or whatever you call it. Yeah. And this challenge is like when you have to find something, and we gotta try both. Try it. No, we're not gonna copy each other what ingredient we're gonna use, except for baking soda. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting. I'm starting first. I'm using water. I'm using water. Oh man. Whatevs. I'll just get another ingredient. I got another ingredient. You can use water. Oh yes, finally. I got a different water. So we have a ready baking soda. Put a baking soda. Just a little bit. Just like mine. Can you help? So I guess you can't see us, but this is what it kind of looks like. Like this. And you want to spread it out. So we're just going to tap it. Okay, and then I'm going to put some water in. I'm going to use drink water. And then you know what I'm going to... 2 ingredients that make them pop. How about Palmolive? I'm not... It looks soaky. I know, right? It doesn't look nice. Wait, I have to shake this. I don't know how to pop this, though. I don't know. I don't know. We just use the same ingredients, except I want to use this. So I don't know what to use actually. Oh my gosh, it feels weird if you just feel it like this. You know? Okay, I'm starting one again. Another one. Just my last chance. Yes, this is our last chance. So we gotta do it. And if we don't make it, you know what we're gonna do? To dare them. Or both dare only us. Yeah. I'm sure we're gonna fail. I know I'm gonna fail. No, I know I'm gonna fail. No, I know I'm gonna fail. No? Oh man. Maybe both of us are gonna fail. Probably. But down the bed. Why isn't that working? I don't know. I don't know how I do. Does it make it blow up like that? Oh no. I just used this baking powder or cornstarch, whatever. Is it working? Oh, guys, it's working. Uh-oh. Go by the sink, CJ. Wait, no, it's okay. It's at the tissue spot. Uh-oh. I just make it. I made it. Oh man, you gotta dare me. What? Hey, I wanna. Can I try it? Can I try it now? Yes. Look, guys, red. Oh, there's a volcano. I'm gonna make mine being volcano too.
What's the yours doing in here?
We're making volcanoes.
Making volcanoes?
And CJ won.
What is that?
It's a volcano. What?
It's not volcano.
Oh my god. Oh no, CJ, mine is flowing very fast. Everybody watch out. It's flowing very fast. Oh my gosh. Oh no. CJ, mine is flowing very fast. Wait, just show them. Show them. So mine is like very fast. It's just like. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I could.
Basta hindi magkakalat, ha? Ayan, nagkalat-kalat ka sa sahig.
We'll clean that later on. Just gonna mix. Why is that so hot? Gonna mix. It's not like flowing very hard because she put dishwasher soap. You know.
Dishwasher soap?
Ouch! Ow! There we go. Grandma, you gotta dare me now. Oh, actually, if you guys watch this video, you guys gotta dare me something, and next time we'll check out what you guys, and she'll pick one, and I won't even know what it is. See, Christine, you gotta do this. Oh, try. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. See, like when she's telling me I was rude because I just watched a video how to make. You're cheater, so I still win. I still win because you're cheating. You watched. I don't care, but I didn't know how to put baking powder.
You're cheating.
Don't. Bye, everybody. Yeah. Put this back where you put it. I don't know. You put it somewhere, bro. Oh, bro.
Hindi mananag ka.
Just put it in the freeze. Done. It's a chocolate thing. But right up there. That's where you put it.
Bubal yung kwan doon?
Found one.
Yung niyabigit.
Ano?
Pupunta na lang bedtime niya.
Pupunta na?
Oo, bawa ba siya agad? Kasi panalo ang kwan.
Let's do another challenge.
Panalo ang Celtics.
Ano?
O panalo ang Hornets. Panalo ang kwan. Ang
Boston.
Hindi, oo nga, panalo ang Boston. Dapat yung isa pa.
Let's get baking soda.
Pacers.
No, we don't need that.
Hindi, talo ang Pacer.
Let's do the best friend challenge.
Mahulog yung Pacer. Mahulog.
Wait, later.
Nets. Magla number 7
We
ng
need
Nets.
sour challenge first. Oh man.
Ay, mag-8 ang Nets. Tapos
Maybe
7
baking
ng kwan.
soda.
Ang Boston.
Let's sour.